Welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, we're gonna be having the Miata race the Mazda 6. This was a comparison I wanted to do for a while, but never really got around to doing it, but we're finally gonna do it. It's gonna be a 20 and 40 roll. We're gonna see which one is faster or slower, I guess. All right, start her up. This guy and his muffler delete, man. This thing is loud. All right, now it's time to start up the 6. This car is also extremely loud, so sorry to the neighbors. Let's hear this. My neighbors hate me. So we did the runs. They weren't the cleanest, but we did some 20 and 40 rolls. There were a lot of misshifts, but if you really look at the races, you know, for what they are, these two cars basically accelerate the same. Whichever one shifts a gear starts to get behind, and then so on and so forth. But you know, from the acceleration alone, these cars are basically the same speed. Hopefully you guys like that video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next upload.